Hey guys, showing you this SofaBaton U2 universal remote with customizable app. So this is all in one smart remote control compatible with the TV, soundbar, streaming players and more. So this comes in a nice gift box and let's open this and see what we got here. So you can see this is a manual and the link to the app. So you need to install an app. This is the remote control and two AA batteries. So just put in the batteries and see how this works, and this can add up to a 15 plus devices and the replace multiple remotes. So here I'm just putting in the batteries. So once the battery is in, you can see the light is on here and you can see this is the LED screen. So this is the app. So I installed the app around the notification and stuff. So this is the two modes, infrared mode or the Bluetooth mode. So basically TVs are on infrared mode and you can search from the list or you can learn from the other remote. So this is I'm just starting pairing, so you have to hold these two keys, and once this is added or the paired, you can see the two options here. So you can add the device and then you can just select. So first I just are learning, so you have to just put on the remote, but I also put on the search mode and then select my TV model and everything. So once this, you can see the TV model search, and you can just search for your particular model number here. Even if it's not there, you can learn, and these are the keys that you want to be used and customized for. Once this is added, you can see like downloading the code list, and you can also see that on the remote like downloading. And once this is done, then this device will be added and the remote is added. So I'm just testing it. My TV start working fine with the remote, as you can see it here, on and off, volume plus and minus. So this start working, and I'm now trying to add my Sony DVD or the sound player. So I will customize that remote as well. So there is a little roller wheel, so I'm just adding the Sony one now and trying to see like how this works. So it's downloading the code list and this one will be added. So there is a roller button on the top that you can select which device you want to do, like from here. And once you just select the device, you can just use the channels. So you can see like the volume plus and minus button here, that's working even with my Sony player and also on my TV here.